Do you looking to add a touch of elegance and tranquility to your home? There are 3 unique decor items that will transform any space into a serene sanctuary. Soothing sounds, relaxation. Tabletop fountain. First, we have the tier design, soothing sounds, relaxation tabletop fountain. With its continuous water circulation, this fountain creates a peaceful atmosphere, helping you to relax after a long day. Whether on your office desk or as a centerpiece in your living room, this tabletop fountain adds a touch of nature to any space. Bring the soothing sounds of nature into your home, promoting focus and reducing stress with the tier design relaxation tabletop fountain. European-style, light luxury fruit bowl. Next, elevate your dining experience with the European-style light luxury fruit bowl. This multi-layer rotating fruit stand is more than just a fruit bowl. It's a statement piece. Designed with elegance in mind, this fruit bowl combines functionality with luxury. Its multi-layer design allows you to display a variety of fruits in a way that's both practical and stylish. Ideal for special occasions like the Spring Festival or as a thoughtful gift for loved ones, this fruit bowl adds a touch of sophistication to any event. Make your table the center of attention with the European-style light luxury fruit bowl, the perfect blend of function and luxury. USB-powered LED rose tree lamp. Finally, add a touch of magic to your home with the USB-powered LED rose tree lamp. Perfect for home decor, parties, and weddings, this lamp creates a romantic and whimsical atmosphere. This enchanting lamp is easy to set up and powered by USB, making it versatile and convenient for any setting. Its soft LED lights create a gentle, ambient glow that enhances any room. Whether as a nightlight, a decorative piece for your living room, or a stunning addition to your wedding decor, the rose tree lamp is sure to impress. Illuminate your world with the USB-powered LED rose tree lamp, a beautiful blend of elegance and practicality. Transform your home with these unique decor pieces. Visit link in description to bring these stylish and luxury items into your space today.